So today I'm going to be making beef stew for my family for lunch, and I'm going to bring you along as I cook. So first off, I'm going to toast my cumin seeds. Just toasting. I just want my cumin seeds to be fragrant, so I'm using about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. After about 30 seconds, I'm going to be adding my onions. So it's been like 2 minutes. So I'm going to add carrots. I'm adding carrots because they usually take a little bit longer to cook. And also I'll add 4 cloves of garlic. I have just roughly chopped up my garlic. So I'm also using a little bit of oil because my meat is a little bit fatty. To my pot, I'm going to add 2 tomatoes. And of late, tomatoes have been really pricey. I'm using 2 small tomatoes. So I'll also add a little bit of a tablespoon of tomato paste. Nyanya zimepanda mpaka wapi baby? Hebu niambieni. Hii pande yetu nyanya moja ni 15 bob. Ama 2.25. Yeah, they're pricey. So to this I'm going to add a little bit of coriander leaves. So let that cook for around 1 minute. So I'm going to add black pepper, about half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste. It depends on the amount of meat you're using. So I'm going to be adding about a kilo of beef meat. I've already pre-boiled my meat. As you can see, my family is huge, so 1 kg. So you stir in your black pepper and salt. And now that my tomatoes are well cooked, I'm going to be adding my beef. So I'll stir to combine my meat with my tomatoes. Then I'll add my pepper, green pepper, a little bit of basil, fresh basil, and stir. I'm loving the aromas. So I bought my basil from Carrefour. That is why you can get your fresh basil. To this I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. And I'll let this simmer for around 5 minutes because my meat is already boiled. So what you just want to do is for the meat to absorb the seasoning. Although when I boiled my meat, I had added a little bit of salt. Cover this and let it simmer for around 5 minutes. So you'll check on your stew. It's looking good. So I'll check on the seasoning. It is just okay. And I've not added much spice to my beef because today I wasn't feeling like spices. So I've just added cumin and black pepper. That's it. The rest are just fresh spices like basil. So also I'm not going to be adding any corn flour to thicken the soup because I'm having mine with mashed potatoes. Yeah. So I'm going to garnish with coriander leaves. Switch off the heat and start. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, I love you so much for watching till the end of the video. Bye. See you next time.